What is Amazon Quantum Ledger Database, QLDB? Amazon Quantum Ledger Database, Amazon QLDB, is a fully managed ledger database that provides a transparent, immutable, and cryptographically verifiable transaction log owned by a central trusted authority. You can use Amazon QLDB to track all application data changes and maintain a complete and verifiable history of changes over time. Ledgers are typically used to record a history of economic and financial activity in an organization. Many organizations build applications with ledger-like functionality because they want to maintain an accurate history of their application's data. For example, they might want to track the history of credits and debits in banking transactions, verify the data lineage of an insurance claim, or trace the movement of an item in a supply chain network. Ledger applications are often implemented using custom audit tables or audit trails created in relational databases. Amazon QLDB is a new class of database that helps eliminate the need to engage in the complex development effort of building your own ledger-like applications. With QLDB, the history of changes to your data is immutable, it can't be overwritten or altered in place. And using cryptography, you can verify that there have been no unintended changes to your application's data. QLDB uses an immutable transactional log, known as a journal. The journal is append-only and is composed of a sequenced and hash-chained set of blocks that contain your committed data. Common use cases. Finance. Banks can use Amazon QLDB to easily store an accurate and complete record of all financial transactions instead of building a custom ledger with complex auditing functionality. Insurance. Insurance companies can use Amazon QLDB to track the entire history of claim transactions. Whenever a conflict arises, Amazon QLDB can cryptographically verify the integrity of the claim's data.